it's been around 3 years since the COVID-19 pandemic took over the globe. And as we're talking about COVID-19 pandemic, the controversies and theories around the origin of the same, they refuse to die.
Absolutely, Raisha. Now, according to reports that we're getting in just now, investigators who scrutinize the top secret intercepted communications as well as the scientific research, they believe the Chinese scientists were running a covert project of dangerous experiments which caused a leak from the Wuhan Institute of Virology and started the COVID-19 outbreak back in December 2019. And this is something that has been explored in the past as well.
Absolutely. According to an in-depth research done by UK's Sunday Times, it all started when in 2003, the Wuhan lab started hunting the origins of the SARS virus. The Chinese facility attracted US government funding through a New York-based charity as America's leading scientists shared cutting-edge virus manipulation techniques with Wuhan.
With US support on board, the institute, it started engaging in increasingly risky experiments with samples gathered from bat caves in southern China. This changed in 2016 after researchers discovered a new type of virus in a mine shaft in Mojiang in Yunnan province. People had died from symptoms similar to SARS in Yunnan. Rather than warning the world, the Chinese authorities did not report the fatalities. The viruses found in Yunnan are now recognized as the only members of the COVID-19 immediate family known to have existed even before the pandemic. They were transported to the Wuhan Institute and the work of its scientists became classified. According to US investigators now, the classified program was to make the mineshaft viruses more infectious to humans. They believe this led to the creation of the COVID-19 virus and that it leaked into the city of Wuhan after a laboratory accident. In 2018, scientists of the Wuhan Institute selected 3 lab-grown mutant viruses created by mixing SARS-like viruses with a WION, which had all shown affinity to infect human cell. These mutants were then injected into the noses of albino mice with artificially developed human lungs. When the research study was first published, the Wuhan Institute was not marked on the map it provided. The Chinese authorities began an information clampdown. Eventually, even before the West was told a mysterious virus was killing people in Wuhan. According to scientists involved in the research, most of China's coronavirus experts were too fearful of the consequences to examine COVID's origins. According to the US investigators, one of the reasons why there's no published information on the work is because it was done in collaboration with researchers from the Chinese military, which was funding it and which they say was pursuing bioweapons.